Hello dear investors in Crypto Vault. Today we will talk about Kyber network. KNC kind of is a buzz really token right now in a huge way. Find out what drives Kyber network to in each common sense, be one of the basically the best cryptos to essentially place assets into the current second, which generally is extremely gigantic. Yet again after a basic downturn, the computerized currency market is consistently uncovering some legitimate certainty, or so they thought. With truly decentralized finance, DeFi, transforming into extremely popular, a couple of estimations and science-upheld cryptographic types of cash generally have all the earmarks of being participating in a useful get-together as of late in a sort of critical way. Additionally, a couple crypto assets surely have actually rejuvenated to another immaculate high, and KNC is one among them in a really huge way. Kyber network in each reasonable sense is a decentralized blockchain-based advancement that works with token exchange without the usage of an arbiter and offers liquidity for DeFi applications. The critical mission of Kyber network all around is to for the most part cause monetary sponsor basically to have a better than average of consolation and execute securely, using KNC incredibly token at a lightning fast speed in an inconspicuous way. Along these lines, what could drive the Kyber network to incredibly take off in 2022 and past? Could we research, which assuredly is extremely colossal? Why choose KNC in an unnoticeable way? KNC will skyrocket to new highs as Kyber network basically has arranged itself as a fundamental player in the flourishing DeFi industry, or so they expressly thought. Kyber network is an inventive DeFi project that offers clients the ability to exchange one cryptographic cash for another, killing the prerequisite for a really brought together exchange, which essentially is extremely basic. A couple of truly decentralized applications, dApps, crypto wallets and DeFi stages, use Kyber network. Kyber enraptures everybody with its incredibly phenomenal designing, planned to by and large be creator genial, kind of contrary to pervasive reasoning. This engages the show to fundamentally be actually organized with applications and truly other blockchain-based shows, which is really colossal. The association's liquidity place direct plan grants engineers toward faultlessly advance and particularly coordinate new shows into the Kyber network to from a genuine perspective, deal with different liquidity needs, making Kyber significantly versatile, really despite standard reasoning. Kyber network pools liquidity from an extent of sources, including surely token holders, market makers, and decentralized exchanges, and goes along with them into a singular association-wide liquidity pool, which fundamentally is really basic. Kyber's fascinating on-chain setup allows the show to stay aware of particularly full straightforwardness and obvious nature, making it a top choice for monetary sponsor and traders, the equivalent generally. Will Kyber network skyrocket in 2022 in a truly gigantic way? By virtue of KNC's new flood, Kyber network has from a genuine perspective become one of the basically the best renowned cryptos to particularly place assets into now, which is really basic. The Kyber network truly is overseen by KyberDAO, a decentralized free affiliation positively show to the holders of its really nearby KNC cash, which for the most part is truly colossal. The stage moreover generally has a decentralized exchange, KyberSwap, which all around is facilitated with in excess of 100 applications, which is exceptionally basic. The KNC holders all around that truly matters, expect a huge part in picking the turn of events. Kyber network licenses designers to genuinely make and manage pretty splendid arrangements, thus executing undertakings under unambiguous conditions in a subtle way. Experts in each functional sense guess that Kyber network will take off as the gathering has dependably updated the show to for the most part ensure additionally created convenience, security, handiness, and decentralization, which by and large is really tremendous. Multi-chain support on Kyber network. One of the best factors that generally push the expense and worth of KNC to take off is the show's plan to essentially arrange with the truly top chains across the computerized cash organic framework, which is exceptionally gigantic. KyberSwap by in light of everything, offers trading across 10 separate associations, including Ethereum, Avalanche, Polygon, BNB Smart Chain, Aurora, Arbitrum, Phantom, Oasis, Velas, and Chronos in an unpretentious way. Since interoperability by and large has generally become one of the chief subjects driving improvement in DeFi, NFTs, metaverse, and the generally greater crypto economy, the extension of multi-chains on Kyber network will at last form the association's gathering rate. New coalitions and protocol integrations. Another defense for the design force behind KNC unequivocally is the continued with extension of new relationship with spread out names. The Kyber bunch essentially has in each viable sense uncovered one more coalition with the Bondex assuredly capable association, which kind of is extremely basic. Besides, Kyber Ventures, the theory arm of the Kyber network, generally has spread out a working relationship with Pegasus, a well-known NFT running matchup, indicating its presence in the particularly thundering region. There basically have similarly been huge show blends, helping with spreading the scope of the association incredibly. KyberSwap particularly has actually integrated with Uniswap v3 on the Ethereum and Polygon network, bringing the most unique really decentralized exchange into the KyberSwap climate, which basically is truly basic. The expansion of the association will at last help with extending the representative's client base, making KNC one of the most astounding cryptos to place assets into now, which from a genuine perspective is extremely basic. Why KNC will skyrocket? Expert predictions: KNC coin will from a genuine perspective continue to take off in 2022 to say the least, settling on it an endeavored decision in light of everything worth adding to your portfolio. Would it be fitting for you kind of invest $1,000 in Kyber network right now, positively instead of standard reasoning? An interest in KNC right now could essentially help you with all around making useful returns over an extended time, or so they fundamentally thought. The incredibly shown objective of Kyber network is to kind of build a presence where any impetus in each common sense token can commonly be used for exchanges, any wallet, portion organizations, and extraordinarily other as of late molded financial things in an inside and out that truly matters huge way. Kyber network offers a really secured and reliable stage to its agents and is recorded on obvious computerized cash exchanges like Binance, UOB Global, OKEx, and Upbit. Additionally, Kyber network will take off as the series of updates and viable tie-ups would accelerate the energy of KNC in a critical way. Beside the KNC tokens utilities and the associations joining, the trust of monetary benefactors for the most part has in like manner kind of upheld the expense of Kyber network in an outstandingly huge way. KNC genuinely has particularly persevered through the 2022 market crackdown and has shown a bullish ride over the past really 2 or 3 months, exhibiting its authenticity against rivals, regardless